Okay, good afternoon, class. Narinig
Good
niyo ba?
afternoon, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon po.
Before we start, please may I request everyone to close your eyes and feel the presence of the Lord. Dear God, thank you for everything. Thank you for looking after our school. Thank you for love each and every one of us here. Help us to learn, play, and share together so that the wonderful would you have made becomes more wonderful, beautiful every day. Amen. Okay, good afternoon. Okay. Uh, Before we start, okay, class, please open your camera and for on the documentation. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay. Done. Okay, class. Please turn off your camera and okay na pala. Okay. Last meeting, we discussed about least common multiple using prime factorization and continuous division. Now, our topic for today is the least common multiple using GCF or GCD. Nakikita niyo po ba? Okay. Before we start, let's have activity first. Okay. Find the LCM of the following. Number 1, 8, 12, and 18. Please type your answer in the messages. After I will wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, type your answer in call messages. Okay. Thank you. Okay. All, check natin kung tama yung sagot nyo. Okay. Most of you get the correct answer. Number 1, the LCM of 8, 12, and 18 is 72. The number 2, the LCM of the following 70 and 90 is 630. The LCM of the number 3 is 180. Of 180 and 450 is 900, and the last is the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Can I ask what methods did you use in finding the LCM of each number? Okay. Anyone? Ano ang ginamit nyo para magsagot ng LCM? Okay. Jampol?
Pwede po ba kita yung yung given po?
Given? Okay. Ito yung given.
Pili ko po yung kung saan po nagtatagpo ng final answer po. Yung 8, 12, and 18. Kasi po 8 times 9, 72. Tapos
Okay.
po 12 times 6 equals 72. And 18 times 4, 72 po.
Okay. Very good, Jampol. Ang ginamit ni Jampol ay ang pinaka-common, yung prime factorization, where ang hinahanap mo natin na number ay pa-factor out muna natin, then i-multiply. Okay? Siyempre, paano naman paghanapin natin itong number na itong 70 and 90 and 180 and 180 and 450? Ito sobrang laki na yun, di ba? Ang daming factor na kailangan natin siyang gamitin. Ang daming factors ng 70 and 90. So, in this discussion, malalaman natin kung paano ba mag-compute ng malalaking, kung paano i-compute ang LCM ng mga malalaking number. Okay? Next na natin. Okay, first, define what is this common multiple. Multiple to the least common multiple. Okay. The least common multiple, let A and B in the be integers, then any integer that is multiple of both A and B is called LCM AB. Least common multiple of AB. The least common multiple of AB, denoted by LCM AB, it is the smallest positive common multiple of A and B. So, alam naman natin, pamilya na tayo dyan. Ang least common multiple ay kung saang pinakamababa na magtutugma ang number ng ayon sa given na number. Okay? Itong technique na to, isa pa to sa method na ginagamit natin para mahanap ang least common multiple. Ito yun, finding LCM using GCD. The least common multiple of integers A and B, also known as LCM, is the smallest number that is divisible by both integers and A and B. You can determine the LCM of dividing by absolute value of the product of A, B, by the GCD of A and B. So, pamilyar naman tayo sa GCD or GCF, di ba? Ano nga ulit ang GCF? Anyone from the class? Sige, Renny.
Greatest common denominator po.
Ano yung gamit? Ano yung pinaka... Kung ang LCM, di ba, ayun yung pinagtutugma na pinagtatagpo. I mean, pinakamababang number na kung saan both factor yung dalawang numbers. Ano naman ang GCF, GCD or GCD? Okay. Sige. Ang GCF, tinutukoy natin na GCF is ito yung number na kung saan factor siya ng A and B. Pare, ano ba GCF ng 7 and 21? Diba? Ang GCF ng 721 is 7. So, 7 is the factor of 7 and 21. It's the greatest common factor of 7 and 21. Okay? Liwanag po ba tayo dun? Okay? Kindly read the legend first. Ito. Francesca Tugade.
Alin po?
Ito. LCM.
LCM, quantity of A and B is equals to read as LCM of A and B. A and B equals to product of A and B. GCD of quantity of AB is equals to GCD of A and B.
Okay, thank you, Francesca. Ano nga ulit tawag natin dito? Sa sign na kung saan nasa loob ng A and B?
Absolute value po.
Thank you, Renny. Pwede siyang absolute value. Ito, absolute value siya. So, absolute value of the product of A and B. Okay? Now, I will give you examples for finding LCM of finding the least common multiple using GCD or GCF. Okay? Number 1, LCM of 102 and 74. First, find, so susunod muna natin siya sa formula na LCM, product of the absolute value of 102 and 74 divided by to the GCD of 102, 74. So, first, find the GCD of 102 and 74. Okay? Gagamit tayo dyan na Euclidean algorithm or na na-format siya. A is equals to BQ plus R, where A and B is the number, Q is the quotient, and R is our remainder. Okay? In the following, our A is 102. Guys, take note lang ang laging A natin ay ang pinakamalaking number. Kasi ayun yung i-divide natin, yung B ang i-divide natin sa malaking number. Okay, maliwanag po ba tayo doon? Okay, ang A natin is 102 and our B is 74. So, 102 divided by 74, 1. And the remainder is 28. So, pwede natin siyang, gawin natin siyang, ang factor naman natin ngayon ay itong 74, ito naman ang magiging A natin ngayon, at ang B naman ay 28. Di ba, familiar naman tayo dyan. Diniscuss ko na siya nung nakaraang linggo. Okay? Okay, ang A naman natin ngayon ay 74, at ang B naman natin is 28. So, 74 divided by 28 is 2, and our remainder is 18. So, ulitin lang natin siya. Okay? And until 10 is equals to 8. 10 divided by 8 is 1. And our remainder is 2. So, ang gagawin naman natin is, A is 8 at ang remainder naman ang magiging B natin. So, A is equals to 2. A divided by 2 is 4. Ito yun, quotient natin. And our remainder is now 0. Sabi natin sa last discussion, ang magiging remainder natin, ang magiging GCD daw ng dalawang number ay bago mag-0. Tama po ba? So, in this case, the GCD of 102 and 74 is 2. Okay? Malinaw po ba tayo dyan? May kutanong po ba tayo? Kung wala, proceed na tayo sa, okay? Substitute na natin yung value ng GCD and ito siya. So, substitute the GCD to the formula. Absolute value of the product of A and B, which is ang A and B natin is 102 multiplied to 74, then divide to the GCD. Ang nakuha natin ay GCD ay 2. So, 102 multiplied to the 74 is 7,540. Excuse me. 7,548 divided by 2. The answer is 3,772. Okay? May tanong po ba tayo sa example number 1?
Wala.
Okay. Another example naman tayo. Okay. Ito. How about this one? The LCM of 126 and 16. So, substitute lang natin sa formula, which is the absolute value of A and B. Ang A natin dito ay 126, tama? At ang B naman natin ay 60. Divided by the GCD of 126 and 60. Okay? Our A is 126 and B is 16. So, 126 is equals to 60. Then 126 divided by 60, our quotient will now 2, and our remainder is 6. So, repeat again the process. 60 divided by 6 is 10, and our remainder now is 0. So, the remainder up before the 0 is 6. So, our GCD of 126 and 60 is 6. So, we can now substitute to the formula. Product of 126 multiplied by 60 divided by 6. So, 126 times 60, 7,560 divided by 6, and the final answer is 1,260. Okay? Any questions so far?
Wala po.
Thank you. Okay. We now can proceed to the example
Sir.
number 3. Okay, okay. Ano po yan? Sino nagsalita? Si Renny? Okay,
Ganyan, ganyan po ba gagawin kapag kukunin lahat kahit mataas, mababa yung given number?
Ang advisable ko lang naman for sa LCM, paghahanapin natin ang LCM, di ba, ang una tinuro ko sa inyo ay yung prime factorization at continuous division. Kung nahihirapan kayo, kuwari, maghanap ng LCM ng malalaki, ang advice ko, ito ang gamitin nyo. Yung LCM, find the LCM using by GCD. So, di-divide natin GCD. Pero kung mababa number lang naman, pwede na tayo gumamit ng prime factorization or continuous division.
Thank you po,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you. Any question? Ano po ba? May question po ba tayo? Proceed na tayo sa example number 3. How about this one? Tatlo ng given. So, ang technique lang naman dito sa tatlong given na to, ang uunahin lang natin ay siyempre, hanapin mo natin yung LCM netong mababa. Then, pag nahanap natin yung LCM neto, ay GCD pala, sorry. Pag nahanap natin GCD neto, hanapin naman natin yung GCD neto. Okay? Liwanag. Okay, okay. Ito, example, ito. A. Ang A natin, ang value ng A and B natin is 1842. So, substitute to the formula. Okay, find the GCD of 18 and 42. So, 40 divided by 18 is 2, and our remainder is 6. Then, repeat the process. 18 divided by 6, the answer is 3, and our remainder is 0. So, the remainder before the 0 is 6. So, our GCD for this one is 6. So, we can now substitute to the formula. So, we can now find the LCM of 1842 is... sorry. Ano yun? 126. Okay. Any question? Ito na. So, pwede natin hanapin ngayon ang LCM daw nito. Ang LCM daw ng 1842 is 126. So, we can now substitute. Ito na gagamitin natin ngayon. Ang LCM ng A and B ay 126. Then, our number, ang susunod naman natin hanapin yung 154. Okay. So, substitute to the formula, absolute value of the product of A and B, which is 154 and 126 respectively, divided by the GCD of 154 and 126. So first, find the GCD of 154 and 126. Madali naman ito. Medyo malaki na yung number, kaya advice ko talaga, pag malaking number ang hinahanap, itong gagamitin yung method. Okay, the GCD of 154 and 126 is, okay, first 154 our A and our B is 126. 154 divided by 126 is only 1. Then our remainder is 28. So repeat again the process. 126 divided by 28 is 4, and our remainder is now 14. So our letter A is 28, and our B is the remainder, which is 14. So 28 divided by 14 is 2. And our now remainder is 0. So the remainder before 0 is 14. So our GCD for 126 and 154 is 14. So we can now substitute to the formula the absolute value of the product of A and B, the absolute value of product of 154 and 126 divided by the GCD of 154 and 126, which is 14. So multiply first the product. So the answer is 19,404 divided by 14. The answer is no, 1,386. Okay, any questions so far? Malinaw naman po ba sa inyo lahat? So, kung wala tayong tanong, pwede na tayong mag-proceed sa activity. You're going to answer real life problem according to your group number. Na inassign ko na sa inyo before our discussion for this day. I will show the question in our Google Classroom, then attach your presentation in our Google Classroom. You have only 30 minutes. So, mag-group kayo, pag-uusapan nyo kung paano ang presentation nyo. Then, next meeting, may mag-represent na lang sa inyo ng isa. Okay? So, yung mga leader, pwede nyo naman designated yung mga tasks na gagawin. Okay? Maliwanag po ba? Ito yung tanong sa real life problem. 3 bells tolls at a regular intervals of 15 minutes, 16 minutes, and 36 minutes respectively. Given that they toll together, T-O-L-L, together at 3 o'clock p.m., at what time they next toll together? So, bibigyan ko lang kayong clue kung paano sasagutin ng problem na to. So, ang tatlong bell daw, ang bell A natin, tutunog daw siya, ang interval niya is 15 minutes. Ang bell B, or ang second bell natin, ay tutunog siya after 16 minutes. And the bell C, tutunog naman siya after 36 minutes. So, kung tumunog daw ang bell, yung tatlong bell, at sabay-sabay tumunog sa oras na 3 o'clock p.m., at what time will they next toll together? So, pwede pala siya. Pwede palang gamitin yung LCM dito. Dito sa problem na to, pwede natin gamitin yung LCM. So, hintayin ko yung sagot nyo. After 30 minutes, automatic, magsasarado na yung Google Classroom natin pag after 30 minutes, wala pa rin kayong answer. Okay? Maliwanag po ba? Hello? Ikaw pa po ba ako?
Yes, sir. Maliwanag po.
Okay, mukhang okay, pwede na tayong mag-proceed. Okay. Meron na tayong short evaluation lang. After 20 minutes, answer this following. After 20 minutes, post your answer in our Google Classroom. Nandito na to. Makikita niyo yan. So, ito yung una. So, kindly chat in our messages kung tapos na kayo magsagot. After 20 minutes na naman, check ko na. Okay. Okay, mukhang tapos na yata ang lahat magsagot. So, that's all for today. Before that, kindly copy your assignment first. Okay. Find the LCM of the following using GCD. Show your step-by-step solution. Ito, individual to. Then, advance read about complex fraction. Kasi complex fraction, our next topic next week. Okay? Yun lang. Nakapin nyo na ba? Take a screenshot na lang kung ano. Kasi wala to sa Google Classroom. Okay, that's all for today. I hope sana may natutunan kayo na sa akin kung paano hanapin pa ang LCM ng mga numbers. Okay. Kindly open your cam, please, and take a picture ulit. Isa lang yata naka-open. And Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, thank you guys. See you next meeting. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank,
sir.
thank you po.
Thank you, sir.
Sige po, bye.